Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Calculus limits can look intimidating, but you can solve this specific derivative problem in under 60 seconds by following these 3 simple steps. Let us go. The slope of the tangent line at a point is simply the derivative. Recall the limit definition of the derivative at x equals a, which involves the difference quotient formula. Compare our given limit to the definition. Here, a is -1. The expression matches the derivative definition perfectly, so the limit value is the derivative at -1. Since the limit is given as -3/5, the derivative at -1 must also be -3/5. This is the slope of the tangent line. Boom, done. Nailed it! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Don't confuse the limit with f of 0, always use the definition to match XA.